Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Wanna learn how to do nails? Here are the products you will need for your acrylic artist back and shine. This is called a nail drill. It's a nail drill, very affordable nail drill. You can find it in any stores around you that sells nail products or nail stuff. I recommend Bling Girl because I bought most of my things in Bling Girl. Okay, this one though I didn't buy it in Bling Girl, but this one I bought it around my area. It came with nail beads to do your prep and just fix up the nails. This nail beads very useful. Then the nail drill itself very easy to use. It's not that fast, very easy to adjust to and learn how to use it. You just roll there and press that thing, put your nail bead in, and it's easy to use, ready to go. After you've plugged it in, so there it comes with your plug there. You just plug it in your plug. Then here is the thing connected to the nail drill. So this is my UV lamp. As a beginner noted, I wasn't sure what price to buy, but this one was very affordable, very recommended. So I bought it. Yes, when you've improved, that's when you can buy the bigger ones. But for now, this is what I'm using. It works very well, very great, and it was very affordable. Yeah, I think it's 40 watts. They said I should buy something that's like a UV lamp that's over 40 watts. So I would recommend this one because I've been using it. It's been great. Okay, and I was just showing you what it looks like inside. Okay. Here it is. The box. I've been using this UV lamp for 6 months now, and it's been working great. It's very clean, very demure. Even my nail drill, but it's over 6 months now. I've been using it. It's very great, and it's very neat. The first lesson is keep your things clean. Keep your things very clean as a beginner nail tech, or as a nail tech in general. Okay, sorry for that, it kept on falling. So I was just showing you here that it has 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds that you can put and dry up your nails. So here I was just showing you how it looks, what it looks like inside. After you plug it in, it will just turn on after you put your hand in. Then after whatever time you need, whether you put it for 60 seconds, it switches itself off. Then you put your hand again, it switches itself on to a normal UV lamp. These are washable professional nail files, 100 to 180 grit, very good. I've been using them for a while now. You just wash them and keep them in the right space and use them again whenever you need to do nails. Very good. You use them both sides and they work pretty great. And this is the little ones that I use for my clients. And I was just showing one of them here. Yeah, that one was already used, don't mind it. I'll just throw it away. This is the monomer I use. It's very small, but eventually I'll buy a bigger one. This is the acrylic powder I use. I would recommend 3 colors, nude colors to learn. But for now I have this one at home, so this is one that I used. And this is a cuticle oil I use. It's a D&D cuticle oil. It works very great with the cuticle. This is a top coat that I use. It's also from D&D. It works very great. The dehydrator I use, very great. It helps with the nail prep. I didn't buy the nail prep, but these are the gel colors I use. So I recommend 3 nude colors for beginner nail tech. It will help with your designs and it works very great. I have black here for a dark color. I have pink for a pop of color, and I have a color, and this is the color palette I use to change up colors, spice up, and learn new tricks. These are the nail gems I use. It's very great to sparkle up my nails, make them very cutesy, very demure. Tip, you need a cushion, you need a brush to brush off all the dirt, and you need your nail art brush. Is very important to do those lines and make them demure, draw those bows, make them cute, and make your nails look demure. And you need nail tips, obviously, and nail glue, as well as a nail clipper. Thank you guys for watching.